Oh my god, oh my god. Look how this neighborhood house looks like. Wow, we are on the mountain. On the hills. Look how this motorcycle now is a keep on here. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. We are climbing up, look here. It's on the hill. Wow. This is Mutanga City. You can see Mutanga North. You see Mutanga North is located there. There is Mutanga North. But here where we are, it's Mutanga City. Look how it's constructed. Look at those house, apartments. There are some people who work. Wow, beautiful. Wow. This is Mutanga. Hey, what's up? I'm a traveler. Today we are going to explore more about Mutanga South. In the last video we upload, we show you Mutanga North. But today we are going to explore more about Mutanga South. Mutanga South is nearby Mutanga North. Wow, we need to get to Mutanga City. Now you see where I am. We are going to cross the river which is called Mutanga. That river, it separates Mutanga North and Mutanga City. Mutanga North and South Mutanga. Yeah, the river is there, the right. Wow, we are going to see how that neighborhood, that beautiful, how it's a street, it looks like, how the house it looks like. Really, it's so amazing. We are walking in this street. Wow. This decoration towards between the highway streets. There is trees towards the right during night. It looks like a day, as you see. Wow. On that lot you see, it takes you at Mutanga North Mutanga, but we're going to cross that river which is called Mutanga and enter into Mutanga South. Stay with us, don't forget to subscribe for more videos which is separate Mutanga North and Mutanga City, South Mutanga and North Mutanga. So this is the bridge. As you see, this is the bridge. Wow, it's a so big river. Look how the river looks like. Wow, so amazing. Look, with a lot of waves. Look there. Wow. So we are going to cross nearby there. We are going to cross on the right in order to enter into Mutanga neighborhood south. Wow. It's beautiful. just already entered into Mutanga. So stay with us, don't forget to subscribe for more videos. So we are walking in this beautiful road, this highway. So this highway that keep on in Kirili neighborhood, and there are other streets which are connected with on this highway. Some keep on at city center. So we are going to use that lot, which is located in my left, for exploring more about Mutanga. Wow, very beautiful. In Mutanga South. Look how this beautiful street, how it looks like. It's amazing. Amazing. This is Mutanga South, Mutanga SUD. We are in the way. Exploring more about this neighborhood. Mutanga South. Wow. Look how it looks like. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. How they constructed house looks like. Wow, it's so amazing. Wow. Look there on the hill. Wow, wow. Let's pass here. There is a beautiful house. There is a beautiful house. As you see here. Wow, it's so amazing. So amazing. Look how when you stand here, really it's amazing neighborhood. Very clean lot. Wow, you can't imagine. Actually here in Bujumbura, there are some neighborhoods which are so beautiful. How they look like. Wow. They clean every day in the street. Wow. That's so amazing. So amazing. Wow, this is Mutanga SUD. South Mutanga. Amazing neighborhood. Wow, very beautiful, amazing neighborhood, which is located here in Bujumbura. We are walking, showing you how this beautiful neighborhood looks like. Let's keep on exploring more about this neighborhood. Very clean lot. Look at the house. Amazing. This is amazing. So nice. Wow. We are walking in the street, very quiet. Very quiet. Quiet. Very quiet. Actually, you can see like how it looks like. Amazing. This is a hotel, Sunlight. I'm still walking here in this neighborhood for showing you how it is beautiful. How the house, apartment, constructed house looks like here. Really, it's so amazing neighborhood. This is Mutanga South. or Mutanga SUD. Wow, it's so amazing. So amazing. As you see there. Wow, look. What it looks like. Look there. Amazing house, amazing, beautiful. Wow. Look there, that house. Wow, it's so amazing. Wow. So here in Bujumbura, there are some neighborhoods which are so beautiful than other neighborhoods. And whenever you arrive on those neighborhoods, you have to be amazed, you have to be astonished to see how some neighborhoods are so beautiful than others. And in that case, you can say that Bujumbura, it has beautiful neighborhoods. Look how this house, how this apartment is called the Sunshine apartment. How it looks like, beautiful. Wow. You see there in front of me, they are still building amazing house. Remember that it's nearby Mutanga North. Wow, that's so amazing neighborhood, as you see. Wow, very beautiful neighborhood. Wow, but I can say that Mutanga City is beautiful than Mutanga North, as you see here in the street. Look how it looks like, very beautiful. Wow, look at this street, how it looks like. This street is called the Avenue Avenue Hop. Yeah, so amazing. Look how it is bus. How it looks like, very beautiful. Look how it is motorcycle. How it looks like, so amazing. So amazing. Look at that motorcycle. Wow. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Oh, look there. When you stand here, you see Mutanga North. You see Mutanga North? Wow. So near. Look there. That amazing apartment. Oh my gosh. It's so amazing. Wow, look between in the inside of neighborhood, how it looks like. Wow, look there. Oh my God, it's on the hill. Oh my God, look there, the beautiful of Bujumbura. Let's zoom. Oh my God. Have you walked here in this place, in this neighborhood? Mutanga South. Look how. Oh my God, look at that. Oh my God, this is Mutanga SUD, South Mutanga. Oh my God. Oh, we are climbing up for showing you beautiful neighborhoods here in Bujumbura. Look inside of this neighborhoods. Look how it's constructed, my friend. It's so amazing. that house there, that apartment. Wow, 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 wow. So amazing. Oh my God, look there. Oh my God, look. Oh, nothing I have to say for seeing the beautiful neighborhoods like this. Keep on walking for exploring more about this neighborhood. Mutanga SUD, South Mutanga. Look how it's amazing. Look, those house looks like. Oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God. Beautiful, beautiful neighborhood. Wow, wow. Look how it's constructed. Oh my God, oh my God. Wow, wow, wow. Oh my God, oh my God. Look there. Look there. House. Wow. So nice. Wow. Wow. Amazing neighborhood. Mutanga SUD. This is a hotel. Look there. We are like climbing down, and we are passing. Keep on exploring more about this neighborhood called the Mutanga South. We are passing before in the side of this neighborhood. Wow. Inside of this neighborhood, that is where we are now. Look, there's a amazing house, as an apartment, very beautiful, as you see. Looks like amazing, amazing. Wow, so amazing. Wow. So amazing neighborhood. This is Mutanga SUD. We are inside of this neighborhood. Wow, so amazing. This video, if you enjoy, don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Wow. Support Mario's Traveler in all ways. Thank you. Bye bye.